In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Preply app on Android. If you're ready to start learning a new language with real tutors, the Preply app makes it simple, and getting it onto your phone takes just a moment. It's trusted by millions, with over 5 million downloads on Google Play. So let's walk through it together. Begin by opening the Google Play Store on your Android phone. You'll usually find the Play Store in your app drawer or on your home screen. A good internet connection helps here because we're about to download the app. At the top of the Play Store, tap the search bar. This is the quickest way to find the exact app you need without browsing through categories. Type the word Preply into the search bar. Spelling matters, just Preply. As results appear, look for the official listing titled Preply Language Learning App. Confirm that the developer shown is Preply Inc. That name tells you it's the authentic app. You can also glance at the app's ratings, screenshots, and reviews, and you'll notice it already has millions of downloads. When you've found the right one, tap the app to open its details page. Here you can read a short description of the app, see what's new in the latest update, and check the file size so you know roughly how long the download will take. If you see several similar results, always rely on the developer name to avoid lookalike listings. On the app page, press the Install button. If you're on mobile data, consider switching to Wi-Fi to download faster and save data. Make sure you have a bit of free storage space as well. Now, wait while your phone downloads and installs the app. You'll see a progress indicator. Just keep the Play Store open and let it finish. This part can take a minute or two depending on your connection. When the Install button changes to Open, go ahead and tap Open to start using Preply. That's it, you've installed the app. Inside Preply, you can book online tutors. Learn popular languages like English, Japanese, Spanish, and more. Join video lessons, chat with tutors, and track your learning progress all in one place. If you ever need to access it again, look for the new Preply icon in your app drawer or on your home screen. It will appear alongside your other apps for quick access. Thanks for watching. Now you know exactly how to download the Preply app on Android, and you're ready to explore new languages with guidance from real tutors.